This is a required monthly test for southern Berkshire County in West Massachusetts during the emergency. If this is an active emergency alert system that will be issued by the emergency alert system, like severe thunderstorm warning, flash flood warning, tornado warning, storm surge warning, extreme wind warning, snow squall warning, winter storm warning, snowfall warning, hurricane warning, tropical storm warning, and lake effect snow warning, for in the nor'easter. This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. We are now returning to your TV on channel for more information.